today I'm so excited because I have an extra ass glam. I'm running late because of this extraness, but I did a rhinestone winged liner to match this extra outfit that I have from Fashion Nova, and I'm so excited. So be sure before we get started to give this video a big thumbs up to let me know how you like it. It also helps my channel out a lot. Also, let me know in the comments how you like this look and this outfit. And if you're not subscribed already, please be sure to do so. I would love it if you stuck around, and it's such a fun time around here. But without further ado, let's get started. I am so excited. I literally went out of my way to go to Michael's yesterday to get these rhinestones because I am that excited for this makeup look. I'm sure you already saw in the intro like what I'm wearing, but I'm wearing this Fashion Nova set that's completely bedazzled. It's white. So for today's look, I'm doing a white liner with rhinestones on top of the liner. I'm so excited. The last time I did a rhinestone look, I was a senior in high school, I believe. It was pretty iconic. I will link it, but I haven't really like played with makeup hella like that since then. So yeah, I am kind of a little bit in a rush. Not really, but I do want to have time to do my hair so that I don't get stuck in traffic. I'm planning on doing like curls, like super wavy. But yeah, so I have a variety of white liners. I have the Too Faced Sketch Marker white liner, which I haven't used like fully. I've never done like a white liner. And then I have the NYX white liquid liner. I heard amazing things about this NYX one. I'm gonna use the Too Faced one first, and then I'm gonna wing it out with this. We're gonna do just a rough white wing, and then I'm gonna start gluing on these rhinestones, and we're gonna pop lashes on and do the face. It shouldn't be that complicated. I hope not. But yeah, I'm so proud of my eyebrows today. Winged liner. Ooh, the sketch marker. Hello, pigment. Wow. That was actually way easier than I thought it would be. I'm probably gonna outline it with this and then do the NYX on top. Oh, yeah, this NYX one. Probably gonna get a lot of white on my eyelashes, but we're gonna have to fix that later on. Okay, but why is this easier to do than a black liner right now? Like, I'm actually shook. I'm gonna do the other side now. I don't know if I would ever do a white liner like without the gems. I think the gems are really gonna like save this. Okay, so this liner is like a little bit cracky, a little crusty, but I know that's normal for a white liner. But I also don't know if it's because this liner has been sitting in my drawer for like months. So I'm just gonna stop touching this because I don't think it's gonna get any better. Zooming you guys in a little, here it is. I don't know if you could see like the cracking going on, but these are gonna help cover right over it. So I have these little ones to go like on the tip in the inner corner, and then these big ones to just go along. So I'm just going to be kind of quiet right now while I focus and glue these. I'm just taking eyelash glue and literally boop, boop, boop. These already have like a sticky back, but I don't trust them enough. So don't want our makeup look falling off during the night. No, we don't, especially with this cracky white liner. Ooh, okay, I need a tool. Oh, this is so hard with nails. Good thing this side is ratchet. Finally, that took way longer than expected. I'm actually running late. So we'll see. I'm not gonna stress. I'm just gonna glue these lashes on. Okay, so now I'm gonna speed do the face. I'm also doing white in the waterline. I'm gonna coat with mascara. And yeah, so I'm not gonna talk because I am extremely in a rush.
So for my face makeup, I'm pretty much doing the usual. I'm using the Sun Bunny Too Faced bronzer to bronze up my face. And then I'm going in with blush, and I'm doing Too Faced Baby Love and the Sigma Corta Rosa blush. And then I'm using the MAC Rose Gold palette, which actually the first shade kind of looks more like silvery cool toned. So I'm using that on my cheeks to highlight. And then I use the Beautiful Dose of Colors mini liquid lipstick for the lips.
So this is the final look with the hair curled. I feel like this needed to happen, this curled hair moment, side part. I love this look so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, everyone.